Live bird sitting on top of my hood. Let's go outside, check it out. It's live. I wonder if it's going to fly away. It's probably cold and sitting on the hood because it's warm. You see that? Is that a baby or did it fell off? Ooh. What's it doing? Sleeping? That's pretty crazy. Where's the face? Can't tell. Let me try to get close to it. I wonder if it's gonna stay here. What do you guys think? Holy smoke, it's not flying away. It's not flying away. I'm getting so close. I get 360 trim. Oh yeah, this bird's cold. Shivering. His face is actually inside the head, the neck. I don't know if you guys could see it. Oh, he's awake. He's awake. Oops. Looks like he has an afro or something on top of his head. Oh shit. I don't know what's up with this bird. Let's go around. Still not flying away. Still not flying away, guys. A bird sitting on top of my hood. It's a funny looking bird too. It's like it has a deformity or something. But anyway, that's it. I'm not going to force it to fly away, but I'm just going to start up my car and start driving. See what happens. Where's my key? Okay, I'm going to start it up.
Far northern parts of the bay.
Still on. I'm moving. Oh snap! He's still up front. This bird's not going. It's crazy. You guys see that? Okay, you guys see this? Oh my god. What the hell? Is that a baby bird? Oh my god, it is a baby bird. God damn. A baby bird fell on my car. I need to make a U-turn and go back to my house. Maybe have the bird sit somewhere. Dude, this baby bird totally fell down. I feel kind of bad in a way. But yeah. This is what happened, guys. A baby bird. I don't think it fly yet. That's why. It probably fell down from the tree. I should just leave it there and let it go back to their parents. Oh man, my seatbelt. Guys, it's okay, just my seatbelt. Go back. I feel kind of bad though. Go on. But then again, I don't want to touch the bird. Probably mom is up there somewhere calling out, say go. Do I have like a stick or something to push it? Come rescue your baby. Oh man, oh yeah, I can use one of these. Maybe I'll get on top of. Shit. Wanna get on top of it? Come on, man. Oh, snap. Oh, it flew away. Alright, it's fine. That was a crazy bird. Doesn't want to fly away, just sat there. Anyway, that's it.